Hello, my name is Zippity, and today I wanted to use Autodesk Sketchbook to sort of illustrate how we think the universe works. I thought I was recording before, so I lost all my progress on my explanation, so I'm doing it for the second time, but that's okay. So first I'm gonna start with showing you the closest sort of system there is. So let me just go down here. This is where it's gonna be. Okay, right here. So here we have the Earth. So this is the Earth, right there. And now we need the moon. Let's get the moon. So the moon orbits the Earth. The moon orbits the Earth like this, not really like this, and it is way too big compared to the Earth and way too close. The moon is actually very, very far away from the Earth, but so that I can explain it, I'm just gonna make it like this. So the moon orbits the Earth kind of like this, and since the moon is the size of Australia, it makes the Earth jiggle towards the moon slightly, meaning that the very center of our system, which is the center of all the gravity in our solar system that everything sort of orbits around, is not in the exact core of the Earth, or in the exact center of mass of the Earth itself. So the very center of our system is outside of the center of mass of the Earth itself, meaning that the Earth jiggles slightly because of the moon. So, if we move outwards, we can see the sun right here. This is the sun, and so the sun is the center of our solar system, which the Earth orbits around. Not like this at all, but it's just... So the Earth orbits around the sun. Then we have all the other planets in the solar system, which sometimes have weird orbits. I'm pretty sure one goes like this. Not really too sure which one that is. I can't name it right now because I don't know for sure. But orbits are everything sort of orbits the sun in our solar system. It's all being affected by its insane amount of gravity. The sun, in school, sometimes in earlier grades, we're taught that the sun does not move, but that's not true at all. The sun is just like our Earth and our moon and most celestial objects. Pretty sure, actually, probably all. Something like all orbit something. So the sun is moving really, really fast around a supermassive black hole in the center of our galaxy called Sagittarius A. Sagittarius A is a really, really massive source of mass, gravity basically, and it's able to pull our sun around it. So our solar system is being pulled around Sagittarius A. So we can sort of compare this to the Earth's small system, where you have Sagittarius A, the big black hole in the middle, being Earth, and our solar system being the moon. Our solar system orbits Sagittarius A. So it's not just like this weird stationary thing in space. Our solar system is not like that. It's just like a planet in which it orbits Sagittarius A. And the cool thing about that is that that means that it probably extends even further than that. meaning that Sagittarius A, we've discovered, let me just finish our galaxy here. So this is the galaxy. Everything's sort of orbiting Sagittarius A, creating the Milky Way. Sagittarius A orbits something called the Great Attractor. We don't know what the Great Attractor is. We just know that it's there because using math we can find that there are strange inconsistencies with how things should be moving. And using math we've been able to identify that there is probably some massive source of gravity in the very center of our solar system, or our sort of galaxy cluster, which this brings us to the next part. Our galaxy cluster is all of our local galaxies sort of orbiting the Great Attractor and being pulled towards it, because all orbit is an object being pulled towards a larger object, but also having enough velocity in another direction so that it misses it every time it's being pulled towards the massive object. So like the moon is being pulled towards the Earth because of the Earth's gravity, and it's missing the Earth every time because it has enough velocity in another direction to bring it away from the Earth enough so that it just creates a weird ellipse around the Earth. And it doesn't end up hitting it. And since the moon is massive, it's actually falling away from the Earth. It's moving away from the Earth, which means we're not going to be hit by it. Because we're pretty sure it's moving away from us, and it's not actually on a collision course. So, with us. So we have all our galaxies here. Oh, it's not orbit. So we have all our galaxies here, and they all are orbiting the Great Attractor, and this makes up our galaxy cluster, which is our nearby galaxies that orbit. Near us we have the Andromeda Galaxy as well, which, if you didn't know, scientists are saying that we're on a collision course with the Andromeda Galaxy, but new studies show we're actually already colliding with the Andromeda Galaxy. We could be, and but the good thing is that doesn't mean that we're in danger, because the chances of of a star actually hitting our sun are really low. So we're safe. We're not going to be hit by anything anytime soon. It is going to take a couple billion years for them to fully collide, but they're sort of, I don't know. I don't really know how to explain it because I don't understand it too well, but they're colliding is all I was going to say. So our Great Attractor is what our galaxy orbits around. So let's go back to the Earth. We have the Earth here. The Earth orbits around a barycenter, which is the center of our small Earth system. The Moon orbits around the Earth. Our Earth system orbits around the Sun. The Sun orbits around Sagittarius A, which makes up our galaxy, all the stars orbiting Sagittarius A, and the stars have their own planets as well, just like ours. And then our Milky Way is orbiting the Great Attractor. So, if we know that it keeps extending past our Earth all the way to the Great Attractor, this could mean that there are, that the Great Attractor orbits something as well. Our galaxy cluster could be orbiting something else, and then that something else could be orbiting something even bigger. And it could just keep going forever. We don't really know, because we don't know much about how the universe works. But this is what we know so far, or what I know so far at least. And if I had any scientific mistakes, can you please tell me in the comments, because I would like to I would like to know if I got something wrong, because it's, you know, not a great thing to have a bunch of misinformation in your head, and I'm pretty sure this is from what all the sources I found say that this is true, but I could be wrong, so please tell me if I am. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped you better understand how the universe works, how we think the universe works, and this is my first video, so please leave feedback on how I can make it better. Thank you. Bye.